Hi everybody, Lorraine here. Thanks for coming and visiting me today. I appreciate it. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate all of my subscribers. Today what I have is an 11 by 14 inch canvas, and I am going to try to do Mixed Media Girls Infinity Pour. I'm not that coordinated, so I don't know if I can do this wax on, wax off thing very smoothly. But I'm going to do it with warm and cool colors. I've got my warm colors. I've got a purple red. I have a medium magenta. And then I have this color called rouge. And then for my blues, I have a ultramarine blue, a cobalt blue, and a turquoise. And I'm going to put white in between my colors, not very much. So let's get started. I think I'm going to go light to dark. Put in my pink, a little bit of white. Go to the medium magenta. Tiny bit of white. Go around again. I'm trying to throw paint here. Okay, there's one. And there's cup number 2. Ooh. Okay, now I've got to move all this stuff out of the way, because I can be quite a klutz. I don't want to knock everything over in the process here. I'm going to turn them sideways. Almost dropped the cup before I even got started here. Got some paint on the outside of it, that's why. Okay, let's see. I can't go all the way around for some reason. Ah! Well, oh, I've seen them done much more coordinated than that. was kind of fun to try. Oh, let's move this around. These paints are mixed with Floetrol and water. Nothing else. There's no silicone in them. So about 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint, a little bit of water to get them into a fluid consistency. Let's see if we can get that back. It does have a pretty neat looking pattern to it. Kind of a fun little thing to do. I'm going to lose a lot of my blue down there. Okay, let's see if we can make a painting out of it, not just a mess. See what we have for composition. Kind of like the ribbon lines, they're pretty neat. Cover this corner a bit. Try and bring some of that blue down. Stretch out the magenta a little bit. Some really pretty runoff here. Oh my gosh, it's too crazy. Get a little bit of lacing going on in here, that's kind of neat. Might get a few just natural cells from the Floetrol. Set it down and give it a look here. I don't know, guys, what do you think? That was probably one of the least coordinated things I've ever done. I'm afraid to torch it because I don't want to get all those little white speckles in there. There's so much white paint in here. I'll just do it up high. Just in case there's any air bubbles in there. There is some really pretty spots in here though. Check out the lacing over here. That's pretty neat. I'm liking that. I'm liking the way the ribbons run across. Actually gave a pretty nice composition. Got some tiny little cells breaking up through there. Still drip, drip, dripping away. Kind of like that spot right there. It's got all the colors in it. Kind of twisted together. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments. Yeah. I just don't know what to say about this. It was fun. Thanks for coming and visiting with me, guys. Appreciate it. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Like, share my videos. That helps me out. Alright, everybody. Thanks again. Bye.